back to a new video on the Kansas Fire Alarms channel. My name is Jake, and today's video will be System Test 38. Sorry I haven't been doing videos lately, just kind of took a break. I also went on a little vacation to Omaha, Nebraska, on a little trip basically. But now I'm back, and I'm going to make some videos. So let's do this. Alright, so we're going to start off with my Firelight BG12L, my system sensor PC2R. I don't know what the model number it is, but that's an Exceeder ceiling mount remote strobe and an Exceeder ceiling mount horn strobe. I'm probably going to take this device down for the next test because, yeah, I don't feel like doing all that because I need to pre-record a bunch of stuff. So, yeah, all right, let's push in and pull down. Alright, and I'm trying to make this video short, so I'll just go to the device on the ceiling. Alright, since, we're trying to make shorter videos now, or I'm going to try to. I think that's everything for the video, but before I end the video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and do not pull fire alarms in real buildings, and yeah. So, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.